साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Okay, Hare Krishna, everybody. Welcome you all to blissful Shri Radha Govinda Gitanjali. So we are doing daily Vaishnava bhajans, right? And last two classes left. Last two bhajans left of daily Vaishnava bhajans, right? This is Sandhyarti. Next, we will do the night, right? Radha Krishna Pranamora, which we sing during the night to put Radha Krishna to sleep, right? So these are the only two bhajans left. So today, how much ever possible, we will cover uh, Gaur Aarti. This is very long, okay? And then we will do, we will complete and then we will move on to Radha Krishna Pranamora. And then we are done with the daily bhajan season. Okay, then we can go and learn different bhajans, right? Like Ashtakam, Jagannath Rath Yatra is coming, right? So we can learn Jagannath Ashtakam and other things, right? So we can do all that.
Hare Krishna Mataji. What about Shri Guru Charana Padma? Is that also daily aarti, no?
We didn't finish that, is it? Oh, I missed it. I thought we completed. I'm so sorry, Mataji. Yeah, we need to do.
Also Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo. Is it also sung
Yeah,
every day?
Darshanarthi part we have not covered. I totally missed it. Right? So Radha Krishna, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Dayakara More and Guru Puja, right? And also our Diksha Guru Puja. That these three we have not covered. So maybe after this we will cover that. Okay, after Gaur Aarti. Thank you so much for reminding Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Last time's
Mataji, can you please
Bhog
repeat it
Aarti.
again?
Sorry?
We're saying something. First, what should we sing in the evening?
In the evening it is this Gaur Aarti.
Yes,
And then
Mataji.
in the
Then you were
night,
saying
yeah, in the night it
during
is
Guru
Radha.
Puja, you were saying that, Mataji.
Guru Puja is in the mornings, Mataji, after.
Yes, Mataji, that I know. But you were saying na Diksha Guru song
But
also.
we are telling Mangalacharan, no, in the evening, 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock is this Gaur Aarti. So in Darshanarti, we have three things, right? Dayakaro More, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Dayakaro More. And then we have, Guru Puja, that is Prabhupada Guru Puja, right? That is Sri Guru Charana Padma, Guru Vandana. After that, we have to do our Diksha Guru Puja. So for that also, we have a song that we sing. So that we will be singing. So three songs left out, plus that all comes in Darshanarti. And then in the evening, Bhogarti, we sing the last class whatever we did, Yashomati Nandan. Then in the evening, Sandhyati, we sing this Kibo Jaya Jaya. This is Gaur Aarti. And then in the night, while we put Radha Krishna to sleep, we sing Radha Krishna Pranamora. Is that clear? Or any doubts? So all the initiated disciples need to do Diksha Guru Puja also at their houses. right? But not necessarily at the temple time. We all have offices and etc. So in the morning, whenever you go to your altar, you can finish everything, right? Prabhupada Puja, Guru Puja, and you can sing in your leisure time, right? Some people are so busy that they have to cook, they have to go to office, they have to do so many things. Systematically doing it like the temple is not possible. So you just have to offer flowers for Guru Puja to your to Prabhupada and to your Diksha Guru, and then singing you can sing anytime when you're free. Okay, but we have to sing these daily bhajans in the day. You have to cover it somehow, but timing is not very. It's no bar. You can do whenever you're free, Mataji.
Mataji, for the noon puja, is there something? Now we have spoken about, we have finished Mangal Aarti,
Mhm.
and today we're doing Sandhya Aarti, and you spoke about the night Radha Krishna.
Mhm.
Then there's Darshan Aarti, which is around 8 o'clock, 7:38 or so. No? There's Darshan Aarti, 3 songs plus Diksha
Yeah,
Aarti.
yeah,
Then
yeah.
for the, is there something for the noon also? Noon Aarti, is there
Bhog
something?
Aarti. Last time we did, no? Last class we did Bhog Aarti. That is in the afternoon, 12 o'clock Aarti. That is
Oh,
Yashamati Nandan.
okay, okay.
Mataji, you did not send a recording of that.
Yashamati Nandan. Okay, I'll just share the link. Yeah, I'll share the recording. Okay.
Just give one list, Mataji, from Tulasi Aarti to night.
Okay, then I'll do one thing. I will send you the bhajans and the timing that it is sung. Okay.
Only the list of
Okay.
the bhajans and the timings is enough. Even we can download from
Yeah. Okay.
many things. Yes.
Okay, fine. That I'll do. So, thank you so much for reminding about Darshanarti. 3 bhajans, 3 very important bhajans. I don't know how I missed Guru Puja and everything. I totally forgot about it. Okay, Hare Krishna. I'm so sorry about that. Let's begin. So today we will be learning Gaur Aarti. That is, this is sung at around 6:30 in the evening. Okay, so like I said, timings no bar because we are all working. Krishna will understand. So we just have to, sing. If not all these songs, the main thing is our Samsara Dava and Diksha Guru Puja, I mean, song is there, no? These two are very, very important. Okay, these two have to be sung and covered in the day, right? Especially for initiated disciples, devotees. And if you're not initiated, then you have to sing Samsara Dava and Guru Puja, Guru Vandana, Prabhupada song, right? That these two are very, very important. So these two are very, very important. Every day we have to sing. If not in Brahma Muhurtam, Samsara Dava, you can sing other times also, but we have to cover somehow. Okay, very, very important songs these two are. And then our daily chanting and reading, all that will, go on. So our sadhana we will not fall down, right? Even during emergency situations, when we are, when situations at home and in our life are not, very nice, right? We get sukha and dukkha. So sometimes they are not very favorable. So in those days, if you do not have, if you are not in a position to do any kind of devotional service, your daily chanting, reading, and these two songs will compensate for the entire sadhana. Okay, that's how merciful our Guru Parampara is. They have made everything very easy for us. Okay, so today we will sing Gaur Aarti. It's a very long song. We will do little, okay? How much ever possible. Okay, let's begin. I'll first sing the entire thing. Then we will do para by para. Ki bajaya jaya gaura chander आरती को शोभा जाना विधाता बने जगमान लोभा जाना विधाता मने जगमान लोभा किब जया जया गौर चांदेर आरती को शोभा की बदाकी निताय चान भमी गदधारा निकटे अद्वैता श्रीनी वासा छत्रधारा निकटे अद्वैता श्रीनी वासचत्रधारा की बभोषी आचे गौरचान रत्नसिंहासने आरती कोरेन ब्रह्मा आदिदेव गाने आरती कोरेन ब्रह्मा आदिदेव गाने की बनरा हरि आदि कोरी चामर दुलाया संजया मुकुंदा वासु घोषादि गाया संजया मुकुंदा वासु घोषादि गाया कि बशंका भाजे घंट भाजे भाजे करताला माधुरा मृदंगा भाजे परमारसाला माधुरा मृदंगा भाजे परमारसाला शंका भाजे घंटा भाजे माधुर 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 भाजे 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 कि बाहु कोटि चंद्रजीनी वदना उज्ज्वला गाला देशे बाणामाला कोरे झलमाला गाला देशे बाणामाला कोरे झलमाला कि शिवा शुका नारदा प्रेमे गाधा गाधा भक्ति विनोदा देखे गौरार संपादा भक्ति विनोदा देखे गौरारा संपादा गौरांगेरारति को शोभा जगजनमाना लोभा गौरांगेरारति को शोभा जगजनमाना लोभा गौरांगेरारति को शोभा जगजनमाना लोभा गौरांगेरारति को शोभा जगजनमाना लोभा. So this is how the song is. Now we will do the whole thing. The first para, we will do para by para. Okay, so who wants to try? You can repeat. Who wants to go first?
Mataji, I want to try.
Yeah, try Mataji. Hare Krishna.
क्षिप जयो जयो गोरा चंदे आरती को शोभा क्षिप जयो जयो गोरा चंदे आरती को शोभा जानवी तत्वनी जगमन लोभा जानवी तत्वनी जगमन लोभा. हरे कृष्ण माता जी.
Hare Krishna Mataji, very nice. Hari Bol. So what does this mean? So the mood is that the Panchatattvas or Gaurnitai, right? It's basically Gaur Aarti, right? So how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is glorified. This entire song is about how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is glorified, how his associates are glorified. That is his confidential associates. That is Panchatattvas, right? Nityananda Prabhu and Advaita Acharya, Gadadhar Pandit and Srivas Thakur. And along with that, how others are also glorified, like Srinivasa Acharya, right? And what are the demigods doing? How are they seated? How is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu seated? How is he decorated? Who is holding the umbrella? Who is doing the aarti? Like you can just visualize, right? That beautiful evening scene where the kind of clothes that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is wearing and the kind of seat, the pita he is sitting on, right? Ratna Simhasana, right? So all that we will be learning. So the mood of the song is completely glorifying the opulences of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, so it's a very rich song. Okay, the richness of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is being described here. So that is the bhav you need to sing in. Okay, so what does the first paragraph mean is that Jaya Jaya Gaurachandar Arati Kushobha, right? So all glories to the beautiful Aarti ceremony of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is Aarti ceremony, evening worship of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And his Gaur Aarti, this Gaur Aarti is taking place in a grove on the banks of Jahnavi river, right? The Ganges, Jahnavi Thata, right? On the banks of the Ganges, and is attracting all the minds. Jaga Mana Lobha, right? Jaga Jana Mana Lobha. It's attracting all the people's minds, right? The entire world, people of the entire world's minds it is attracting. That's the quality of worship or Aarti ceremony of the Lord, right? And in the entire universe. That and this is the meaning. So we need to sing with complete happiness, lot of happiness, visualizing that opulence of the Lord, right? How Ratna Simhasana, you can imagine, right? It's full chair full made with gemstones and all that, jewels and all that, right? So that kind of aarti ceremony is happening. It's very, very opulent, very rich, and we are singing this song to glorify the Lord, to make him happy, right? And not just him, we are also glorifying his associates, everybody. Okay, everybody related to the Lord. That is what the first paragraph mean. So anybody else wants to try the first para? You can repeat also, repeat after me. Who wants to try?
Hare Krishna. I can repeat after you.
Sure,
But
sure,
I'm
Mataji.
not much good, Mataji.
No problem, no problem. Okay. You can repeat. Shiva Jaya Jaya
Shiva Jaya Jaya
Gaura Chande
Gaura Chande
Arati Kashobha
Arati Kashobha
Shiva Jaya Jaya Gaura Chande
Shiva Jaya Jaya Gaura Chande
Arati Kashobha
Arati Kashobha
Janavi
Janavi
Thatavane
Tatavani
Jagamana Lobha
Jagamana Lobha
Janavi Thatavane
Janavi Tatavani
Jagamana Lobha.
Jagamana Lobha.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Okay, next verse, second verse, we will learn. Yeah, Shamapriya Mataji, you can
Hare
sing.
Krishna Mataji, pranams.
Pranam.
Ki निताय चाँद बामे गदाधर निकटे अद्वैता श्रीनि वास छत्रधारा.
Hari Bol. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare
Hare Krishna. So the meaning of this second para, what is it? Kiba Dhakini Nitai Chand. Now we are going to the Nityananda Prabhu. So first is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and now Nityananda Prabhu. So where is Nityananda Prabhu standing? Anybody knows? In the Panchatattva photo, where does Nityananda Prabhu stand?
Left side, Mataji. Blue
Left.
dress.
Left side?
Right side of Chaitanya
Sorry,
Mahaprabhu.
Right side, that is right side. Blue dress,
Yeah,
right?
our right side actually, right? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is standing to, so our right side Nityananda Prabhu stands, and to the left side Advaita Acharya stands, and after Nityananda Prabhu is Gadadhar Pandit, right? So no, I was
Mataji,
Gadadhar Pandit and then Srivas Thakur, then Nityananda Prabhu, and next to Nityananda Prabhu is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It's the right side of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, correct? Our left side, I guess. Yeah, our left side. Okay, so here it's said, see, on Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's right side is Nityananda Prabhu standing, and on his left side is Gadadhar Pandit. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has his, unlike if you think of Krishna, right? So Krishna's most intimate associates are Radharani and Balram, right? So same way, even in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's incarnation in the Leela, both of these associates are only standing next to him, right? So on one side it's Balram in the form of Nityananda Prabhu, and on the other side it's Radharani in the form of Gadadhar Pandit, right? So that's why it's said that next to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stands Nityananda Prabhu on the left hand side, right side, and then left side it is Gadadhar Pandit. So and then next to Nityananda Prabhu is Advaita Acharya, and next to Gadadhar Pandit it is Srivas Thakur, right? And here it is also saying no, Srinivasa Chhatradhara. That means Srivas Thakur. This Srinivasa is referring to Srivas Thakur. Okay, so he's holding umbrella. Holding an umbrella over Lord Chaitanya's head, right? So we are, this is the positioning of Panchatattva actually. This verse is completely talking about where each associate is standing, right? Yeah, Nikate Advaita Acharya and Srinivasa Acharya is holding the umbrella for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? So who wants to try this verse? Again, one more time, we'll sing and then we'll go to the next verse. Who wants to try?
I would like to try Mataji after you.
Yeah, okay. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Ki badaki nitai chan.
Once again, Mataji.
Ki badaki nitai chan. Okay, I'll break it up for you. Ki badaki nitai chan. Bhame gadadhara. Ki badaki nitai chan. Bhame gadadhara. Nikate advaita. Srini. Vasa Chhatradhara. Nikate advaita Srini. Vasa Chakradhara.
Vasa Chakradhara. Thank
Hare
you.
Krishna. Thank you. Okay. Now the next verse, we will complete this last verse for today. Okay, now it is talking about the decorations of the Lord, right? Where he is sitting and how is it decorated and what are all the demigods doing and everything, right? Who wants to try this? Anybody?
Shall I repeat, Mataji?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Kiba bhoshi ache
কিবা বসি আছে
gorachan
গোরাচান
ratna simhasane
রত্না সিংহাসনে
Kiba bhoshi ache gorachan
কিবা বসি আছে গোরাচান
ratna simhasane
রত্না সিংহাসনে
arati korena brahma
আরতি করে না ব্রহ্মা
adideva gane
আদিদেব গানে
arati korena brahma adideva gane
আরতি করে না ব্রহ্মা আদিদেব গানে
Hari bol. Thank you, Mataji. Hare
Thank you.
Krishna. So the Poshi Ache means sitting, right? So this song is in Bengali, okay? So here it is said Lord Chaitanya has sat down on a jeweled throne, Ratna Simhasana he's sitting. And Arati Korena Brahma Adi Deva Gana. So Arti, right? So demigods are performing the Arti and Brahma is leading all the demigods, right? Demigods headed by Lord Brahma are performing the Arti ceremony of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, this is the meaning of the verse. Who wants to sing once more? Yes, Prabhu? You want to sing?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Only this verse? Only the
Ah.
verse that is highlighted. Hare Krishna.
Kiba poshiya che gorachan Ratna simhasane Arati korin Brahma Adi devagane. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So, Prabhu has sung it in Carnatic style. Very nice. Okay. So, that I think we will complete the rest in the next class. So, next we will have another. Yeah, this we can do in the next class. Okay, Hare Krishna. So the pending things that I will just share what we discussed in the beginning of the class. And yeah, any questions, any doubts or anything? Nothing? We can end? So I'll just share the recordings of last class also, Yashomati Nandan and everything. So yeah. Hare Krishna, thank you all for joining. So next class we'll complete this and we'll move on to Darshanarthi songs. Okay, Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpadrubhyascha kripa
Hare Krishna.
Pitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Antakoti
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.